Morning, everyone. Today is 19th of December, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting Monday's morning market update. The Nifty lost 277 points over the week to close at 18,269, below our acid test support level of 18,400. It was an action packed week globally, with Indian IIP data released below the market consensus, whereas US inflation was quite positive compared to what the streets estimated. The Fed increased the interest rates by 50 basis points and expects this rate to rise by a further 1% in the coming 1 year. Technically speaking, the break of 18,400 indicates Nifty testing 18,100 levels on the index as it trades below its short-term averages for the first time since mid-October. The weekly and the daily charts have witnessed a lower close and a lower low with price rejection on the upside. We believe this is a routine pullback to the larger uptrend. The weekly charts are in good shape. The momentum indicators have cooled off, and these lower levels will give positional traders and investors a buying opportunity with a favorable risk reward. Talking of support levels, 18,100 is an important zone as it's the previous multiple swing tops, and that's where the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level stands. 18,400-450 zone will now act as an immediate resistance and the bulls to gain momentum only above this zone. On the option chain too, 18,000 put strike has the highest open interest standing, and the call side it is 18,400 to 600 strikes. If we look at the market breadth studies, only 26% stocks trade above the short term moving averages on the Nifty 50, whereas 80% stocks trade above their long term 200 moving average. This tells us that the bigger trend of most stocks are intact with us as a short term pullback. Coming to international markets, the US indices were down. Dollar index continues to consolidate at the 104 zone. SGX Nifty currently is 50 points positive. To conclude, the market has lot of stock specific opportunities. On the index front, 18,100, 150 will act as a support zone. Levels for the day, Nifty support will be seen at 18,250 and 18,100. Resistance 18,425 and 18,550. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 42,900 and 42,580. Resistance 43,450 and 43,900. Thank you.